Hi, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today we're going to be doing a factory reset over the Kwikset Halo Smart Lock. So first things first, we're going to get started on the back. And on the back plate, we're going to have a screw on this side and a screw on this side. You're going to go ahead and remove both those screws. Those will come right out. I already did it to make it easier. And this will just push right off. Now when you have it on the back plate here, to reset, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pull this battery pack out. There's a little handle here. We're just going to pull that out. Make sure your batteries are good. And then next you're going to be holding this program button here. So this is the black button. And I'm going to push it down. And then I'm going to drop the battery pack back in. Now, we're going to count to 30 seconds, or we're going to wait 30 seconds until we hear a beep. When we hear that beep, what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb off the program button, and we're going to watch it flash red 2-3 times, and then we're going to re-click that program button. So those are the steps. It's a true 30 seconds. So we'll just sit here and wait until we hear that beep. All right, 1, 2, I'll press it, and you'll see it'll flash right here like a Christmas tree. And we know that we did it correct when we see this deadbolt here start to rehand. So that means just move back and forth. All right, we'll get a green light letting us know it's been complete. There it is. And sometimes that rehanding process, it might take, 5 seconds, 2 seconds. It could take, I've seen 15 seconds. So don't be worried if that takes a little bit longer or if it seems like it's really fast. But there you go. That's how you factory reset the Kwikset Halo Smart Lock. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. Happy to help if you're having troubles with it.